Alright, so we are driving. Yippee yippee. On the sketchy tires. But it drives. Ooh, brakes are grabby. Well, it's got good brakes. Give it that. When I get it back, I'm gonna check fluids, like power steering and what have you. But in general, oh, flappy mirror. Mirror's flappy. Fun. Get on your side of the road. Jag-offs. I love how none of these people are ever paying attention. But we're driving. Fuel level. We have over 5 gallons in it, and it's not registering. So we will take a look at that upon our return to the shop. I'm just doing one more little lap because, well, you know, it's running and driving. Hooray. Hooray, hooray, hooray.